What's up guys, welcome to the M3. As you might know, I have added some horses to the car with race chip. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out in the top right corner. Today we're not adding horses, we're adding decibels. So I really don't like the M3's exhaust, and I really think the restriction of the OPF and all the filters and silencers, it's just too much, so we have to reduce it a bit, and that's what we've done. We've removed the OPF and the mid silencer, and the result is pretty damn impressive. So I saw this G80 M3 on Instagram, and I saw that he posted a video of the exhaust sound. And I contacted the owner and asked him, what did you do to the car to make it sound like that? And he sent me to Crook Tuning, and they have developed an OPF Delete Kit, which means they cut out the OPF and the mid silencer and replace it with their own mid pipe without an OPF and without the mid silencer. And it's an H pipe, so they connect in the middle, which makes it sound like this. And it's absolutely awesome. And they also developed a very clever piece of software which makes sure that we don't get any engine warning lights. So the sound now is totally different. Just listen to the cold start. And it's like in between a F80 competition and the performance exhaust, I'd say. Even though we still have 4 catalytic converters, so the sound really is in there. The S58 sounds absolutely brilliant. It's just very restricted by EU regulations, and this solution, it's very cheap but very effective. Yeah, it's a lot more fun now, I have to say. I also really feel like the throttle response is a lot sharper because all the gases don't have to go through the OPF, which really makes it a sharper car to drive. Really like that. So the sound has more of a bass, more of a rasp at the top end. We get more pops and bangs, and they are there in the software, the pops and bangs. They are just completely silenced by all the stupid filters that are in the stock exhaust setup. And we can now really hear them, which I'm really thankful for. So if you're looking for a different exhaust or an OPF delete for your car, go contact Crook Tuning and they will come up with a great solution like they did with my car. Bye guys.